All right, it's Big C coming back with a break. March 1st, 154. We're going to do the limited break now. This ended last night on the 29th. So we'll go down to the teams here. Bills, Browns did not sell. I think there's a couple more. Seahawks did not sell. Texans did not sell. There's the sheet for the limited football break. 229. Alrighty, that should do it. And then here we go with the break. The 2011 limited football. Good luck to everyone. Oh, well, that feels thick. I don't know what's in it, but it feels thick. Sorry about that, the old phone ringing. I know there is a redemption. We'll pull the back one forward. Let's pull that out here and set this up there. Got Andre Johnson for the Texans. I believe these are all $2.99 or $4.99. My bad. Mike Thomas for Jacksonville. Like I say, all these are $4.99. Jim Kelly for the Bills, $4.99. The Redskins. Evan Royster, $4.99. Then we have Darrelle Revis for the Jets, $2.49. Then we have a dual patch here, Von Miller and the Broncos. So if I roll it, we'll go to the Broncos. The first one on the left, so it's out of 100. So the Broncos would be AKUMAH or MACHIY. Akum Machin. I can't say that name, but anyway, that's who that would go to. So there's that one, and then a nice Ahmad Bradshaw to the Giants, which would be Wildcat 5228. Nice patch, number 7/50. And then the last one, Material Phenom Rookies, 233. Let's see what that is. Material Phenom Rookie 2. That would be material, and that would be 233, which is Taiwan Jones, which is the Raider. So that's Ange MC03 would get that. So there you have it. I'll get these packaged up. Again, if anybody wants to take advantage of the shipping discounts, just email me and let me know. It's $1.99 unlimited shipping for unlimited auctions for that week of the auction, and I do it Sunday or Monday through Sunday. So just email me if you want me to hold anything. I know a few people have, and just email me, let me know what you want me to hold back, and we'll ship it out that following week, and that way it's only $1.99 shipping. So again, keep checking out my auctions. Big C 2014. Thanks.